Is your business a hidden gem on Google Maps, just waiting to shine brighter with a flood of positive reviews? First things first, outstanding customer service is the bedrock of any successful review strategy. Consistently go above and beyond to create memorable experiences that customers will naturally want to share. Now, subtly encourage satisfied customers to leave a review after a positive interaction. This could be a simple verbal request at the point of sale, or a follow-up email thanking them for their business. Make it incredibly easy for customers to leave a review by providing a direct link to your Google Maps listing. You can create a shortened, shareable link through Google's Place ID lookup tool. Share this link on your website, social media platforms, and even print it on receipts or business cards for maximum accessibility. Monitor your reviews regularly and respond promptly and professionally to both positive and negative feedback. This shows you value customer opinions and are committed to addressing concerns. Finally, remember that incentivizing reviews through discounts or promotions is against Google's guidelines and can lead to penalties. Focus on earning reviews organically through exceptional service and ease of access.